Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we want to talk about something that we installed 8 months ago right here on my porch. So I have 2 dogs, 2 greyhounds, and I had a problem. They would want to go outside freely in and out, but whenever I would open the door to my porch and leave the door to my house open, then bugs would come in, and that's not okay here in Florida. So I needed a solution. I went looking and I found this product right here, and this is actually a magnetic door screen. Basically, it's screened just like a screen porch would be, but it's magnetic in the middle, so when it opens you have room to go through, and then it comes right back together because there's magnets. And we weren't sure how this was going to work. It's actually attached to the door frame with Velcro, so just hook and loop. And we were skeptical. We weren't sure, so we actually didn't even make a video about installing it because A, it was really easy, and B, we're like,
It is one of those as seen on TV products. So,
yeah.
You know, weren't so sure. But anyway, we decided we would order it, so she did, and we put it up, and we couldn't be happier. One little issue we do have is we put it fairly low, so it does get hung up a little bit on the tracks, but it usually rights itself when we come over and kick it, and it just does what it needs to do.
Yeah, but it was, like I said, it was really easy to install. We've had 0 issues with it around the door frame. But one issue that I noticed about a month ago was there was this little cut in the screen. Now, I don't know if this was always there, if maybe that happened when maybe it came this way, or when I opened it, I cut it. We don't know. We love the screen, so I wanted to be able to fix it, and we have previously used a product called Screen Mend to fix the screen in the porch. And so I used that same product to fix this issue in the door.
It's really easy. You just cut that screen mend to size, and then you put it on. It has adhesive, and use a hairdryer, a regular hairdryer, and it just fuses and it mends the repair.
Yeah, so this has been fixed for a couple weeks now, and it's worked perfect. And like I said, the door works perfect. So we could also have put it around the screen porch instead of having the door there. I do like still having the door because I close it at night, and then if we had a storm,
well, and there's
keep it closed.
critters, you know,
yeah,
possums and squirrels and cats and raccoons.
Yeah,
they'd all be over here.
Yeah, I don't want them on my porch. So this is a perfect solution. I don't keep my door open all the time, especially during the summer, because, you know, it's hot.
Yeah.
But this is a great solution when the dogs want to be able to have some free reign to go in and out, and I would highly recommend it. We got one from Amazon. I'll put a link to that below, but I think there's a lot of these products out there. We did get the reinforced magnet version. I don't know if that makes a difference, but we've never had an issue with the magnet part of it. And the dogs actually learned to use the door really quickly, probably within like 5 minutes of installing it when we did about 8 months ago. I will say we do have another greyhound friend that has stayed with us before, and he has not been able to figure it out. We've tried, and so we have to open it for him, but we love him, so it is worth doing that. But overall, the dogs do this really well. There is a little bit of dirt where at the dog level when they open the doors. We could probably clean that off. I have not thought about doing that, but we could probably easily clean that.
Thanks for joining us, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and if you want to see more product reviews, just let us know because we love doing them.
And if you have a dog, let us know what's your dog's name, or cats, any kind of animal. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.